front of me is SONY Xperia 17 and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by launching messages and selecting or creating a chat. Then use this icon of a camera and the photo at the bottom left corner. And to add any photo to your message, click on it. If you can't find it, you need to scroll all the way down, hit Folders at the bottom left corner, look for your photo, and tap on Done twice. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!